How's it going, everybody? Robert here, US 27 Motorsports and Trailers. I tell you what, today I am pumped to do this video. We recently took on the Ravek products, and I tell you what, their lighting and just overall accessories are phenomenal. Let's go ahead and check out some of the products that we have here in stock. First product I want to check out is the Ravek Plug and Play Apex lighting system. Comes in the amber as well as the white lights. And what you have here is you have accent lights that you can see right here on the corner, as well as the running lights. But the cool thing about these is on the amber system, as well as the white setup lights, is you can use them as turn signals, as well as just more visibility and safety on the trail. And I tell you what, I cannot express that enough about safety to the front, as well as accenting your side-by-side and UTV, giving it a way styler look, making it look cool, as well as enhancing some safety features. In this setup right here with the plug and play UTV light setup, you can definitely install it in under 30 minutes. Easy installation, multiple ways that you can set them up. Or if you want, as well as with any of these products, you can always have US 27 Motorsports install this stuff for you. Let's go ahead and check out some of the other products that they have. This right here is the UTV trunk bed light kit, which is really cool. They post up into the corners, which is really nice feature. And in this case, you can get those installed in under 2 hours. But again, if you don't feel comfortable installing stuff like this yourself, you can always have the pros do it here at US 27 Motorsports. We're going to go ahead and move up to the UTV tail light, which is really cool. This is one of my favorite ones. So let's say you're in your side-by-side, you're in your UTV, and you want more visibility for the braking system, whether you're playing on the trails or whether you're working. This is the kit that's going to do it for you. Not only does it provide brake light features, but if you move over here, it also provides a reverse light feature, which is really cool, giving you more visibility and enhanced coverage, so that way you're not going to bump into anything. And this kit specifically installs in under an hour. And again, I have to mention, if you're not comfortable installing this stuff yourself, you can always have the pros do it here at US 27 Motorsports. And I tell you what, all you have to do is give us a call, 989-224-8874. We can get your unit set up, ready to rock with all the light features that you're going to want to enhance your safety, as well as visual improvement of your side-by-side. Appreciate you guys.